Today I am going to ask a question from you guys. How to repeat the list elements in the list. In that process, we will use what? The list repetition operator, right? So what is that? The list, the repetition operator is used to repeat the elements of a list multiple times, right? So this is the syntax of what? The list repetition operator, right? We will create a new list, right? Then after we will write the name of list. We want to repeat the elements, right? And then after we will use the multiplication operator. Then after we will use the number. We want to, how many times we want to repeat the elements, right? So this is the example 1. Now I want to repeat that same these all elements in that list, right? Then I will write the name of then I will write the print. We will write the after after repetition, right? So we will write the name of list, right? Then after we will use the multiplication operator. Then after I want to multiply by, repeat by 1 times, right? These elements, right? You can write I can write 1 time. Now I will print that output on the screen and you will get this is the output, right? So this is the 1 time. If you want to repeat the 2 time, then I will write this is the 2 time, right? This is the 2 time, right? This is the original list, and after repetition we will use the 2 times repeat, right? Now we have a second example in which we have stored the 3 numbers. I want to repeat 3 numbers with the 3 times, right? So I will print the original list, right? Then after I will write the name of list, numbers, right? How many times I want to repeat? The 3 times, right? Then I will write the name, then I will write, so this is the original list, right? Now I want to repeat these elements, these same elements in 3 times. Then I will write the after repetition, then I will use the the name of list. How many I want to repeat? 3 times, right? So now I will print on the screen and you will get what? So this is the output, right? This is the original list. So this is the repetition list, right? This is the list of repetition operator, right, in Python. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel. In the next video, we will talk about minimum, maximum, and sum in Python, right?